Alright, welcome here everyone, welcome here. You're probably here for a plushie tutorial or to just see how it's done. I am aware this one is very wonky. Also, the marble run is Spirit King's Reign of Terror, which was created specifically for this series, specifically as a finale track for this series, and the song is Alistair's Ballad. First movement. And, hi, I'm Dusk, and whether it's your first or 20th time here, I'll take you through all the steps to make a cute little plushie. I am aware of how wonky it is on the thumbnail. I don't know how that happened. It might happen to you too. That's just kind of what happens when you make plushies. They don't always turn out perfect, but they turn out good and lovable, and that's the point. So, I hope you decide to make it. Watch through the end, because some things might be confusing until you've seen everything. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the description and grab the pattern. There should be two links, one to all my patterns, one to just that pattern. There have been some incidents. If you don't see it in the comment section, leave a comment and I will fix it once I know. Alright? Alright, bye. Well, not bye, so grab the pattern and print it out. So when you start the plushie, you're gonna wanna collect you're gonna want to cut out the template. Now you're going to want to apply the template. You're going to want to get a crown base in gray, a skull in gray, 2 gem pieces in green, 2 body pieces in either light green or light blue, like mint green or sky blue, both work well, I think. 2 crown pieces in black, 2 hand pieces in the same as the body, 2 eyes in dark green or black, 1 mouth in dark green or black, and 2 tail pieces in the same color as the body. Did I say 2 hand pieces? I meant 4, by the way. And now, once you got all the pieces cut out, you're going to want to grab the base, body piece, and then the mouth, and attach the mouth. And once you're done with that, grab an eye, attach an eye. Do the same for the second eye right here. Now grab the coat pieces. I forgot to mention them earlier. 2 in black. For the coat sides, and then a main coat in black as well. Put 1 here. Put the other here. So now you're going to want to add the coat piece to the back, a coat piece to the back side, the other piece, add the big coat piece. Now attach both sides together, have the coat pieces facing each other, so that the sides you want to see. I'd suggest starting near the top, because, well, you'll see. You're gonna invert it. Now invert it. I hope you left a bit of space open. If not, you can cut a hole open. I'd recommend doing it about at the top, though, because that part will get covered up by the crown later on. Or at least should, if yours doesn't turn out as wonky as mine. Now stuff it and close the hole back up. Now, for the tail, you're going to want to take both tail pieces and attach them together, I guess. Yeah, attach them together. Now invert it and stuff it. Now attach it to, like, the body. Like, attach it to the body, like, around the butt. Or where a butt would be if it had parts like that. So, when you make the, crown, you're gonna want to start by attaching, like, this black piece to the long gray piece. Now do the same for the other one. Make sure they're distant and also attached to the same side. That's important. And now you're going to want to attach the little skull piece. It goes, like, in the middle of one of them. Yeah. And now attach them both together. You're going to want to start on, like, the edge that... Attach both sides together. You're going to want to start on, like, the edge on the long gray that... Like, you're going to start on, like, one of the small edges and then, like, go around the top. Like the black part, go around that until you reach the other gray part. Like, yeah. Now invert it. Yeah, this will be important, I promise. Once you're got it inverted, you're going to want to create the gem. Go all the way around except for one star on, like, the two green pieces, attaching them together. Like, except one side. Now invert through that side and close it up. Now, attach it to the crown, like, at the top. And now you're gonna wanna attach, like, stuff the crown. Now attach the crown at the top of the body. Like, try to do it more middle than I did. So now that you, like, got the like, main body done, you're going to want to create a horn. Grab two matching pieces and attach them together along the edge. Like, leave, like, the small little flat edge alone. Like, do the big ones first. Do another one. Now do a smaller variant with, like, the smaller horn pieces. And another one of those as well. Attach a big horn here. Attach a small horn a little bit above that big horn. Now repeat for the other side, like, big horn here. Little horn here. So, when you want to make the hands, you're going to take two hand pieces, start, like, somewhere, wherever, I'd suggest about here, and go almost all the way around, leave a little gap for something. Now, invert through that hole that was left, and stuff it. Once you've got it stuffed, close it back up. Close the hole up. Now make another. Just the same steps again. Attach one hand here. And the other hand here. And that should be the last part before it's done. And, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. But there's more I gotta say. If you enjoyed, like, comment, subscribe, hype, whatever. If you want to see a new plushie soon, like, have any specific ideas you want to see soon, tell me in the comments. And I gotta share the short for this with you as well. It's pretty cool. I think you'll enjoy it. Yeah, and it's the finale. It's the finale. I'll upload a compilation of all of them with like a new art piece soon in a bit. But yeah, it's the finale. Like, after I'll tell you what the next one is definitively. Yeah. Well, what is this place? Looks like my house, almost, just bigger? Okay, this is weird. What did that crazy lady say? Ha 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 ha. Fools. I've heard. You're in my world now, and I'm going to, didn't think that far ahead from when I got you in my world. Alright, I've decided I'm gonna eat your souls. That's the best you could come up with? Also, they said your sense of style is terrible. My what? Excuse you? Have you know, I'm the Spirit King, most powerful ghost of all. Woo! Ow. Why are you throwing yourselves at me? That can't be in... Alright, it's time for me to... What? What just happened? I don't know, but I have a feeling we're gonna be fine for another year. I think. Maybe until, like, something in May or something. Maybe then we'll have some trouble again, but not with Spirit King. He's gone. Right? Right? And now that we've got all that out of the way, I'm going to tell you. The next plushie is the bird trio from Lobotomy Corporation. Yeah, finally a new abnormality. Took way too long. Like, way too long. Like, took way too long for me to make another one. Like, way too long, but... Hope you enjoyed. I'm not going to do another one of these for Christmas. I do want to do another one for Halloween. I think I'll probably choose myself when it gets closer, but I have like a couple ideas. I want to offer them to see if people would prefer either one of them for the next story. And there might be a new one I come up with before then too. I'll put a poll up soon, which would be cool. I hope you check it out. Yeah. Well, yes. Bye.